Flash Mine.
Hello, I'm just gonna be making a video on like how to fix a broken zipper. Let me just, this is in the way. When I zip it, it doesn't zip. So I saw a video on how to fix it because I wanted this to be fixed. And they said you need pliers. I only found these weird things where you gotta go forward. Crap, I can't really do it with one hand. Well, you push it forward and it clamps down. So I'm gonna you're supposed to clamp it on that thing right there that the pliers are touching. Yeah. So I'm gonna see if it works. I don't really know if it will or not, but let's find out. Trying to set the camera so you guys can see. Oh, there. So I don't know if I can really do this because up this part, don't worry about that. Let's see if it works now. No, I really don't know how hard I can make this go because they're the wonkiest pliers I've ever seen. I don't know. Oh. Hardest I squeezed it out of all those three. Hey, it works. Oh, right here doesn't really work. Don't know why. It works, I guess. Dang. I don't really know about this part though. I'll try it a little tighter. It's harder to zip, I can tell that much. The camera's probably going to fall over again. Okay, let's try it. Well, the gap's smaller now. There's a little gap right there. I don't really... you guys can't really see it because it's kind of dark, but there's a little tiny gap. Try to get rid of that. Oh, I think I know why. Just wait. Oh! Okay, now let me try to zip it. Nope, still doesn't work there. Keeps like tucking in. I'm gonna try one last time, even though I said. But the hole is getting smaller. Oh, it's bigger now. I wonder if I keep doing this, it'll just get... No, it's small again. Well, let me try one last time. Remember the camera. Let me try. Freaking camera. Phone. It still has a little gap there. I don't really... After all, it works. Like, it zips. Let me move that. Oh, got caught in something. Just wait. Let me see if it zips all the way. Yeah, it zips. It has a little bit of resistance, but it zips now. Let me zip it up real quick so you know. Come on, freaking phone. Oh, see, there's a hole here too. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Yeah, the hole's back. Well, I need better pliers, because this is kind of weird. I don't know. Let me just keep trying it, I guess. Or retry. Whatever, I don't know. It's probably pretty broken because I've had it for a while, but whatever.